Hey Highland Ranch, Mr. Aaron here, and I'm here to show you how to set up your virtual background on a Zoom call for those of you guys who have been curious about it. So let's just get into it. Alright guys, so first things first, you just gotta pick whatever background you want to find off of Google Images. You will have to find it, right click it, and then go down to Save Image As, and then save it to your desktop computer. First step. Last step, all you gotta do is load up your Zoom. Go down to here, the bottom left, and you're going to find this little icon. Click on the arrow. Choose virtual background. Click on that. And it'll give you a bunch of options, and this is where you add it. You hit this plus image right here. Add image. Ba-doop-ba-doop. And then it should pull up your saved pictures, and then I have my picture right there that I want to load in. Yep, that looks good. It'll pop up right there. And then the last thing you need to do, you go down here and there is a little option right there. You click on that. It says pick the color. You want to pick the background color. Make sure it's a pretty bland color. It should be something that stands out a lot. So I have a lot of tan in the background, so I'm going to click on this area right there. Oh boy. And it kind of works. You're going to have to fiddle around with lighting. Otherwise this can happen, but that's how you do it, Highland Ranch, and I hope you guys have fun, and I can't wait to see you guys on your Zoom calls. See ya!